Hello and welcome. In this video, we will explore how businesses can identify dormant dealership locations and reignite their engagement to boost sales. Many organizations lack visibility into inactive dealers, making it hard to spot lost revenue and re engage the right locations at the right time. One of our clients in the manufacturing and retail industry faced similar challenges. To address this, our team at Perceptive Analytics developed an analytical solution for sales executives. With this dashboard, sales teams can easily identify dormant dealer locations, track reactivated customers, understand their buying behavior, and take action to review sales and grow their accounts. If your team is facing similar challenges, you can book a free consultation using the link below. Now, let's take a quick look at how this works. At the top, we have the analysis period for reference. This can be adjusted from the drop down here. We can select the start date and end date for the dormant period. Any dealership with zero or no sales during the selected time is flagged as dormant. For example, we have chosen the year 2023 as our dormant period. During this time, 436 locations were dormant, meaning they did not order anything. Out of these, 118 locations have started ordering again. These are now reactivated, while 318 locations are still inactive. We can see a list of all dealers along with the number of active and inactive locations for each dealer. On the right side, we can locate all these locations on map. Red markers indicate inactive locations with no recent orders, while green markers indicate reactivated sites that have started ordering again. Let's click on Lumus Lighting as an example. We can clearly see that 11 locations are dormant for this dealer and 6 locations have been reactivated. Right here, we get a list of these inactive locations. LLC Retail is a top customer in this list with $0.6 million sales per year. We have their contact details and the name of the assigned salesperson as well. This location can be contacted to encourage them to start ordering again and reactivate their sales account. Now, let's switch over to the reactivated locations view with a single click. Here, we are looking at locations that were dormant but have started buying again. For example, this particular customer is a top customer in this list with high sales. Let's click here and select this customer to see their sales trends. This customer was inactive for almost a year and has now come back with strong sales. We should monitor this customer and track their buying behavior to fuel their momentum. But we can also spot this location with negative sales. It shows a high volume of product returns. Let's click and select this location. By looking at the sales trend, we can see that this customer was actively ordering in October 2022, then stopped ordering for about a year and returned a large amount of products in March 2024. They showed some growth again, but had another spike in returns in June. To understand what went wrong, we can look at the order details in the table below. Most of the returns were from the mini light and adapter categories. Their most recent purchase was from accessories category. This kind of insight helps sales teams figure out what the customer really wants and adjust their strategy or product mix to better serve them. This customer can be monitored and directly contacted to revitalize their sales. If you want better visibility into your dealer performance and reactivation opportunities, you can schedule a free consultation with us right now. Perceptive Analytics is your trusted data analytics partner. If you need a similar dashboard or any other custom data solution, then get in touch with us today.